Hello ladies, I'm Ruchita and I welcome you to FOMO, Passion on My Own. Hair removal is a pain, literally and figuratively for women. But I've always been a waxing girl. I was looking for an alternate method. And I quite liked what Philips Satinel Advanced Epilator range had to offer. So I decided to try it. Watch on to know my review and some tips on epilation based on my experience. The Philips Satinel Advanced Epilator comes in this bright pink cardboard box, inside which are all its attachments, which I'll get to shortly. The Satinel Advanced Epilator is battery operated and it has 2 speed settings. It's cordless and therefore it's very convenient to use because once you've charged it for about 60 minutes, it can be used at a stretch. Another great feature to talk about it is that it can be used wet and dry. That means you can use it in the privacy of your shower as it's waterproof and also in the comfort of your bedroom. Apart from the epilator head, it also has an additional shaving head for a quick on-the-go shave. It also has a sensitive area cap which can be used for delicate areas like the armpits and bikini line. And it also has a skin stretcher which also tightens the skin and makes it easier while the epilation process is on. The Satinel Advanced Epilator is very easy to use, and though I'd heard that epilators can be painful, this was the same as waxing or lesser even. I did experience a little bit of redness, but it did go away in a couple of hours. Now the best part is that it gets rid of hair shorter than 0.5 mm at the root, which is not possible through waxing. So you can get rid of hair as soon as you spot them. The Philips Advanced Satinel Epilator BRE210 is priced at $5,995, which is the most expensive in the Satinel range, but I think it's a fair price considering it's an investment and also its features. Convenience is what works best for the Philips Satinel Advanced Epilator, as it gives the same results as waxing with much lesser pain and less mess. In fact, the hair grows back thinner and slower. Our FOMO rating for the Philips Satinel Advanced Epilator is 4 on 5. While epilating, keep the epilator at a 90-degree angle to the surface of your skin so that the hair gets plucked properly. Don't press the epilator directly into your skin as it can pinch the skin. Instead, glide the epilator in the opposite direction of your hair growth. Also, in case of hair growing in different directions, you can use circular motions. How often you use an epilator depends on the hair growth. But if you use it often, it has 2 benefits. Firstly, your pain threshold increases as shorter hair will give you lesser pain, and also it reduces your hair growth over a period of time. In case of a dry epilator, it's better to have a shower beforehand so that the pores are opened. To reduce the epilation pain, it's good to have well-prepared skin. Like for a dry epilator, it's good if you have well moisturized and non-greasy skin to help grasp the hair by the tweezers. In case of wet epilation, get into the shower 10 minutes before the hair removal process. Always begin the epilation process from the area where it's less painful. Like for most women, the lower legs are less painful. Also, you can stretch the skin with your spare hand to reduce the pain. Exfoliating regularly will reduce the ingrown hair and thus aid the epilation process. Also, since it causes a little bit of redness, it's advisable to use the epilator a few hours before your big event or date so that the redness can subside. So ladies, that was my review of the Philips Satinel Advanced Epilator along with some epilation tips. If you've liked this video, share it with your friends. And for more such videos, subscribe to FOMO, Passion on My Own. Bye.